Welcome back to a NFL tier list. Let's get this started. We got Super Bowl, we got playoffs, we got around 8 and 9, we got rebuilding, we got hot trash. First, I'm gonna start with the AFC. No, I'm joking. Okay, this is mostly the AFC. So we're gonna go around. Oh, I'm gonna put around playoffs. Playoffs, that would just mean like 8th seed, 9th seed, or just anything like that. So around the playoffs, we're gonna go around playoffs because they are playoffs. Browns are gonna be Super Bowl. They're gonna be Super Bowl contenders. They're gonna do really well. You just gotta admit it. They're gonna go rebuilding, hot trash, and I'm gonna go around playoffs. Jaguars are gonna be rebuilding, even though they don't have the best squad. With Trevor Lawrence, I think they can do something. But they are not Super Bowl contenders, or around 8 and 9. Lions, sorry. You downgraded Jared Goff to Matthew Stafford, so... you downgrade the other way around. I would go around 8 and 9 to the Vikings, but they have a very easy schedule, as you can see. So, it's going to be a little weird. The team that won the Super Bowl from the previous year is always going to stay Super Bowl contenders. Now, unless they lost Tom Brady and stuff and all of the other people. Other than that, yeah. Around the playoffs, I don't see them being Super Bowl contenders, but they will be around the playoffs. Probably will also go to the playoffs, so cool. Falcons. Rebuilding. With Julio coming back, I don't think they'll be the greatest team. But, yeah, let's just be one of those. Ravens, around playoffs. Andy Dalton isn't much different from Mitch Trubisky, but with Allen Robinson, I feel like they can do something. And that defense. But if they do bad this year, then they're going to be hot trash next year. Rebuilding. They got Joe Burrow. He really needs an O-line, and if they don't get an O-line this draft, they're going to hot trash. Just saying. Cowboys, I'm going to go around playoffs because most people see them going 8 and 9, but I don't actually see that because it's one of those things. Called Super Bowl. I'm saying it now, and I will be saying it forever. Super Bowl. Ding. You cannot say this team is not Super Bowl contenders. I'm going to go Saints around 8 and 9. They lost Drew Brees, and even though people keep saying they might go 0 and 16, I hardly doubt that. The Brees have great defense. The Saints have great defense, great running back, great wide receiver, and Taysom Hill or Jameis Winston will be the quarterback. I don't know which one is going to be starting, but Taysom Hill is a better backup, I should say. I'm going to go with... I have them going 9 and 8 this season, so I'm going to go around 8 and 9. Same thing with the Giants. I think if Daniel Jones doesn't do well this season, I feel like he's going to be traded. No, I'm not gonna be wrong. What more can I say? They have trash wide receivers. They got a trash defense. They got a trash O-line. They just got a trash team in general. Most people blamed Carson Wentz for that, but it wasn't all Carson Wentz's fault. Round 8 and 9. People going almost to the playoffs, but I have no respect for Steelers fans saying they're going to the Super Bowl contenders. They will probably get third in their division, and even though last year 3 teams in their division have made the playoffs, that will not be the Steelers' case in this one. Hot trash. If you keep Drew Lock, then yeah, you're just hot trash. But if you throw away Drew Lock, I'm going to put you in rebuilding for now. But I have y'all doing terrible. If y'all get a new quarterback, then it'll be better. But now, no. So I'm going to put y'all in hot trash for now. But y'all are rebuilding, and usually the first quarterbacks after Peyton Manning were not as well. Super Bowl. Of course, they've always been Super Bowl contenders as well as the Chiefs, but will they make the Super Bowl? Yeah, probably not. But they will be doing good in the Super Bowl. Panthers. They're more of the rebuilding side. I do have them getting close to 8 and 9, which I want to put them, but they're like more in between. They are rebuilding, and I would have to go 7 and 10. Because this is what I said. Alright, I almost forgot to do this. Panthers 2021 skit. Also, G's to getting Sam Darnold. First 4 games, you get 1 win from the Falcons. You beat the Eagles, and you beat the Jets. The rest of you. You're 3 and 5 in your own home. The next 4 games you lose, and the next 4 games you also lose. Actually, yeah, you lose them. Actually, let me change that. You lose to the Vikings up here, so you're 4 and 4 in your own home, and you beat the Texans. I know I've done this exact same score on many different teams. You go 5 and 12. See? So I'm gonna put them on rebuilding because what the heck? What team did I just move? I don't know if I even moved a team. Alright, anyways. I had them going 5 and 12. And I think they're building with CMC and Sam Darnold. So, I mean, yeah. This is my favorite one. Raiders, they are. I'm a biased Chiefs fan, but I'm gonna go with 8 and 9. I don't think they'll be in the playoffs because they were 5 and 3 this season, and we're 8 and 8. So that's 3 and 5. So I don't see this team being good. Anyways, Bills. What do I even have to explain this? Anyways, Seahawks. Sorry, Seahawks fans. I'm gonna have to do it. I think with Russell Wilson being destroyed every single season, it would be cool if he left the Seahawks, but I mean, I guess it's not really in that case with the trash wide receivers and trash O-line and trash defense. It's kind of hard to really put a team in around playoffs. So I literally people put them up here, maybe even up here. I used to put them around here, but now I'm putting them right there. They're rebuilding with all these how do I say it? All these free agency picks. And I literally had them going 5-12, I'm pretty sure, on my TikTok. I'm pretty sure this is the Patriots 2021 schedule. It doesn't really say the year, but there's 17 games. So I'm gonna assume it is. Wait, it does say the year. This is a good one. Oh, tomorrow's the Cardinals schedule. Alright, let's get started. First 3 games are a total loss. I even said in the caption, the free agency grade is overrated. And home, yeah, that's it. You beat Jacksonville. You beat the Dolphins. So I'm gonna have to put them in rebuilding. It's only proper. Hot Josh. And rebuilding. And of course, 15 teams cannot go to the playoffs, so I would probably have the Titans not going to the playoffs, but they're going to be around. And I'm just saying that now.